It's such a beautiful evening, and it has been a very hot couple of days, and we've had a wonderful 2 days of visiting with my brother. And today, getting caught up with some things around the house and realizing I have no mayonnaise. Now, this is like 8 going on 9 o'clock on a Saturday night, and is that the most pressing thing to do on a Saturday evening? I don't know. But anyway, I think I promised somebody yesterday that I was going to do this demonstration. It takes less than 2 minutes and makes such good mayonnaise, healthy. It doesn't have any EDTA in it, which is a preservative that our bodies don't particularly thrive on, don't need anyway. And so I'm going to go ahead and do this and show you how simple making your own mayonnaise is. Now, one of the things I did find pretty critical, pretty essential in the success of this for me, I actually have a Vitamix, but I really prefer my KitchenAid wand blender. It seems to get the right speed. It seems to handle the nicest for this job, and so this is what I has given me the confidence to do this and just to making my own mayonnaise a matter of, it's a no-brainer. So I've got my stuff pre-arranged here. The nice thing with this wand, this particular model of a wand anyway, it comes with this container, which is about the perfect size that I need for my Mayo. Comes with a lid, so I can actually store it in the container that I'm making it in. So excuse me, because you're going to see the back of my head here a little bit. So I've done this a number of times that I actually almost know the order of things without looking at the recipe. Although I have the recipe here, I am doing this without a timer. I'm going to kind of just use my counting thing. So we're going to put an egg in first of all. Whoops. And my family is just coming home. We need egg and mustard and salt. We use the pink Himalayan salt because it's kind of healthy for you. And I'm not going to put an onion in, so I'm just going to run this for 30 seconds. So this is going to be a little bit noisy, so bear with me. I kind of move the wand around a little bit to optimize the blend. So you can hear it kind of going up and down. And I'm not counting. I better stop talking and count. Is that 15, 16, 17? And 30. Okay, so then we need to put in our lemon juice. And lemon juice just goes in for 10 more seconds. Are you counting with me? We'll make that 10 seconds. We'll see how this turns out without the timer. All right, I guess my family is ready to go for a walk, so I'll get this oil put in here. And this goes in for 20 to 25 seconds. I try and keep it kind of a light stream, going in there steady. Can you hear the different sound of the velocity? There we go. There we go. And we're all done. So what I'm probably going to do now is put some dry dill in it so that it just kind of can marinate or whatever it does and then add some flavor. So it's just as simple as that. This piece comes off the wand. So we have mayonnaise. I almost could do the Dairy Queen Blizzard thing. See, it doesn't fall out. the Dairy Queen blizzard thing. And so I have mayonnaise ready now for another week or so, and I'll just clean this out and add some dill to it, and we'll be all done. So on this Saturday night, we're heading out for a walk. The sky is amazing. I should actually do a live when we're outside because it's so beautiful, and I think it's been so hot that there aren't any mosquitoes. All right, we'll talk to you again. Bye-bye for now.